I'm Henry Nograles Jr., in charge of new business and processes for Rapiday. Rapiday is a quick service repair shop. Most of our customers are 3 years old and above. But due to recent demands, may mga sasakyan na din na pumapasok ng medyo bago. As part of the commitment ng Rapiday, even without a partnership, we do a basic inspection report for each of customers na pumapasok ng Rapiday.
My name is Abhishek Mohan. I'm the Managing Director of Carmudi Philippines. Carmudi is a classifieds website. We're a broker of information for buying and selling of used cars as well as new cars. We believe in partnerships. We believe the industry when we came in was not perfect. It was, I wouldn't say 100% trustworthy. We're out to change that. We're out to make sure that every listing on our site is safe. We want buyers to be more confident in buying the cars that are listed. We want to provide sellers with a trustworthy way of portraying themselves and a way for them to move their inventory much faster. We're at the Rapiday outlet. Rapiday is the leading service center chain in the Philippines, and we're launching our certification initiative, which I would like to call the No Scam Initiative. I mean, Rapiday and Carmudi are committed to providing the most secure experience for online car buying and selling.
As part of the commitment ng Rapiday, even without the partnership yet, is kami kasi in-inspect namin sa sasakyan for free. We do a basic inspection report for each of customers na pumapasok ng Rapiday. For Carmudi's partnership, you have on-time or real-time condition ng sasakyan mo. Ina-accept namin na mag-meet up kayo sa Rapiday for inspection. Anyway, the inspection will only 30 to 45 minutes in time. So you have a picture of what is the condition of your vehicle.
Both of us don't believe in any compromise when it comes to quality because we're committed to long-term business and to our customers. And you can see that on the internet, in newspapers, we've never had any scams. What we're trying to do is bridge that information gap between buyer and seller in the used car market. The connotation of used car selling around the world is something that is not synonymous with trust. We want to change that in this market, and that's what we're out to do.
As part of the commitment ng Rapiday, transparency kami. So kung gusto niyang paggawa, we can prepare an estimate for the customer. Kung hindi naman din, okay lang din. At least bago siya umalis sa sasakyan, he knows kung okay ba siyang i-drive or may in the future meron siyang gagawin. Rapiday, we have www.rapiday.com. Please invite, especially for the coming Holy Week. You can inspect your vehicle at Rapiday for free.
You can download us from the iOS, from the App Store or from Google Play. It's Carmudi, and then you can choose the Philippines. Our website is carmudi.com.ph, and if you are a smart cell phone subscriber, it is a free app. So even if you don't have even if you don't have data balance, you can still access our website and app. Look forward to having you all on our website and enjoy buying and selling.